Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Sorry, this sun is so bright. It's a beautiful day here today. I just left my P.O. box and I received this check in the mail. Just wanted to show you this from Easy Profit 100, the Raven Group. See that? That's a fat $300, guys. These checks just keep coming. Okay? You need to check out my postcard program, Easy Profit 100. I've been in this program for 3 years. It's been around for 7 years, okay? Easy Profit 100 is only $149 to get started, guys. And you're going to get 120 leads with this when you get started, okay? So it's a great program to get started in, and I can also show you how to market it online. But if you don't want to worry about online, you can market this offline, just mailing postcards and get these checks too, okay? $300, guys. Okay? Check out the link below, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.